This is the season for creating vision board for the new year, but are they really useful for your life and your business? Let's talk about it. Happy New Year, guys. It's already 2024. I'm wishing you all of the best, health, wealth, abundance, prosperity. May all of those good things be in your path for this year. So a vision board most of the time is that board that you create. It's a visual where you're gonna pin a lot of pictures and quotes about many areas of your life. It could be business, personal life, relationship, family, friends, traveling, finance, spirituality, and many other things that you can add in there. So usually it helps you just envision that life that you want for yourself in those different areas. The only thing is that a vision most of the time is what you want for your life or your business in a mid to long term. So your vision is not supposed to change every single year. My question is for you, do you think that it's actually normal that we're switching vision kind of every single year? I don't think so, and that's why this year I didn't do any new vision board. All I've done is actually take my old vision board and remove the quotes or pictures that are the things that I've already achieved in 2023 that are no longer in pursuit, and I replace them with new projects and new perspective that are here for 2024. I don't think it makes sense to create a mood board every single year unless you really love the activity. And I know that a lot of people that are about manifesting and envisioning things love to do that activity every single year. I'm not saying that the activity in itself is not useful for your vision. I'm just saying that switching vision, like literally the things that you put in your vision board every single year, is kind of weird. Maybe you're misaligned, because normally the whole goal of a vision board is for you to have multiple steps to work through during the year so you can achieve that vision. But what is the point if every single year you're actually switching your plans? You don't have a clear vision. I mean, you can have short-term vision for the year that you can quickly accomplish, but what about those long-term lives vision that you have for yourself? And I'm talking about things like getting married, buying a house, building a business. All of those things actually takes time. So if it is something that was on your vision board the past years, then it should still be on your vision board this year if you haven't accomplished them. It's still a work in progress. Do not change your vision every single year. Make sure that you stay aligned. I really want to have your opinion on it on the comment section. Do you think, if you have already done a vision board before, that they're useful? And what is your method for setting your goals and seeing your vision mid to long term? My main concern over someone who is switching their vision board every single year is your vision strong enough? Because if it is switching every single year, maybe it's because your vision is not that clear, and maybe you're not even aligned with the thing that you're putting on your vision board. So what I will do for the next video is actually helping you go through setting goals for this year, and not only setting goals, but making sure that you achieve them through the year. I think it's very important that you work on how you can be productive, not just have a huge, beautiful vision of what your life, your business, your family life, your spirituality can be like, but to take action on it, to make sure that you work through it. Because the last thing that you want is, by the end of the year, when we will be wishing the new year coming, is for you to feel like you didn't achieve much and you're actually at the same point that you were last year. And I'm gonna give you a little secret. It's actually not about motivation, it's about discipline. I hope that this video motivated you. The goal is to help you be more productive and implement more systems and processes into your life, into your business, so you can see changements. Also, little update, I've changed a little bit my content strategy. So this year I will be way more present here on my YouTube channel. I want to give long form value to you, and also I want to be more present on LinkedIn. So I'm not disappearing from Instagram, but if you really want to follow me and make sure that you see what I've been up to and what I'm doing, this is where you're gonna find me for this year. And I'm gonna add a little dimension that is more lifestyle into my content. There is a lot of things that I've been doing in the behind the scenes, and I remember in the beginning of my business, like 4 years ago, to produce a lot of content of my behind the scenes project with clients. And I really miss showing that up, and also just showing the lifestyle, the reality of an entrepreneur, because it's not always sexy. And I really want to show you what I've been up to. Let me know in the comment section, what do you want to see in this channel? Is it more behind the scenes? Is it more maybe me going through clients' project and showing you processes, because you know that I'm all about branding and automation? I will be glad to know, what do you want to see more on this channel this year. If you want to join me, make sure to subscribe, because remember, this is the channel for those who want more customers, not just followers. So I will see you on the next video. Bye guys.